If you're looking at new construction in Lakewood Ranch's highly sought after Waterside district, two names are likely dominating your search: Wild Blue and Shellstone. But if you're moving from out of state, looking at these online, it can be incredibly confusing because on paper they look like direct competitors, but in reality they cater to two completely different lifestyles and budget ranges, even though they share a massive amenity park right in the middle. I'm Tana Showalter, owner and broker at Rogue Realty, and today I am breaking down the honest difference between Wild Blue and Shellstone so you know exactly which one deserves a spot on your itinerary when you fly down to Sarasota. First, let's talk location and maintenance, because on these fronts, they are practically twins. Both sit east of Lorraine Road and south of University Parkway in the Waterside district. And this means regardless of which one you choose, you're minutes away from Waterside Place, which is the newest lakefront town center. It's got incredible restaurants, events, the Sunday farmers market, and you share the same top-rated Sarasota County schools, the same tax structure, and the same quick access to all of Lakewood Ranch, Sarasota, University Town Center shopping area, and I-75. And then there's the maintenance factor. This is a huge detail for out-of-state buyers. Both of these communities are maintenance assisted, so whether you buy in Wild Blue or Shellstone, your lawn care, landscaping, and irrigation are fully managed for you. You get the pristine Florida aesthetic without spending all of your weekends doing yard work. But the moment you look at who is building the homes and how the neighborhoods are structured, these two master plan communities part ways. Let's address the price tag and the true identity of these neighborhoods. So Wild Blue is an uncompromising luxury first enclave. The majority of this community is being crafted by Stock Luxury Homes, who's also the developer here. Stock is known for building top tier, high-end semi-custom homes, and their footprint sets the baseline here starting in the upper 1 millions. Now, Wild Blue also features massive, true custom home sites up to an acre where builders like Stock Custom, John Cannon, Arthur Ruttenberg Homes, and Anchor Builders all operate. But the core identity of Wild Blue is Stock's refined high-end production luxury. Now, Shellstone, on the other hand, is developed by Homes by Towne, and they take a much wider approach to lifestyle and budget. So instead of starting in the millions, Shellstone offers highly desirable maintenance-free luxury villas starting in the high 400s to high 500s. So from there, they step up into their smaller single-family series ranging from the 600s to $1 million, and then their larger series starting from around 1.2 million and up. So if you want a luxury product, but want to keep your entry point under $1 million to just over $2 million, Shellstone is where you look. If your budget starts at a high $1 million and moves up, then Wild Blue becomes a target. But what if your budget is north of $2 million? This is where you can make a true apples to apples comparison because the luxury price points on Wild Blue and Shellstone absolutely overlap. So if you're looking at the top tier of the market, both neighborhoods have exceptional options, but they serve different tastes. In Shellstone, you've got Homes by Towne's premier Catamaran series, and then Lee Weatherington's custom line can easily push past $2 million to $2.5 million plus, especially when you pair them with those highly coveted west-facing lots designed perfectly to capture those Florida sunsets over the water. And it's a big lake, and it's high-end modern luxury in a neighborhood that also offers lower maintenance convenience. In Wild Blue, that $2 million plus budget opens up the playground. You can opt for Stock Luxury's grandest semi-custom models or move into the ultra-exclusive sections where true custom builders operate on estate footprints wrapped in nature and maximum privacy. At the $2 million mark, it's not a question of quality because both neighborhoods deliver at the highest level. The question is, do you want a sunset-facing luxury lakefront home in a neighborhood with a wide mix of housing styles, or do you want to be tucked away in an ultra-exclusive, luxury-only estate enclave? No right or wrong answer, just different. Here's the plot twist that most out-of-state buyers miss. These two communities actually share a border in a massive 13-acre amenity space called the Midway Sports Complex. So whether you're buying a $500,000 villa in Shellstone or a $4 million estate in Wild Blue, you both get access to this complex. 8 pickleball courts, 6 tennis courts, a sports pro shop, playground, basketball court, dog park, kayak launch, and a massive event lawn. However, their private clubhouses are distinct. So Shellstone features the Summit, which is a gorgeous resident-only clubhouse with a fitness center, resort pool, poolside grill, cabanas, and a full-time activities director. And Wild Blue is anchoring its neighborhood with a massive ultra-luxury 25,000 plus square foot resort clubhouse that includes indoor-outdoor dining, a theater, golf simulator, and country club level pool complex. If you're watching this and planning a move, timing is everything. So Shellstone releases its premium lakefront lots in strict phases. Over in Wild Blue, Stock's inventory and the remaining custom lots are moving incredibly fast because the demand for that luxury price point in Lakewood Ranch is so high right now. If you're looking at floor plans online, you are only seeing half the picture. You need to know what lots are actually available right now, what the lot premiums look like, and how the builder timelines align with your relocation. And that is exactly where I come in. I specialize in helping out-of-state buyers navigate the new construction landscape here in Sarasota, Sarasota, Manatee counties. I work with stock, homes by Towne, and the custom builders. I know which phases are releasing next, and I can help you secure the right lot before you even book your flight. If you want an honest, boots on the ground look at current inventory, or if you just want to map out your timeline, give me a call, shoot me a text, or click the link in the description below to schedule a consultation with me. Don't guess on your transition to Florida. Let me do the heavy lifting. I'm Tana Showalter, Rogue Realty, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.